When it comes to real-time project updates, CoConstruct is a game changer for construction management. If you're struggling with staying on top of your projects and want a seamless way to track every detail as it happens, you're in the right place. Stick around, and I'll show you how CoConstruct makes it easier than ever to keep everything on track and in the loop, so you never miss a beat. Now, here's the good news. You can try CoConstruct for free through the first link below, and we've got exclusive bonuses that'll help you get started faster than ever. Let's dive in. The first thing CoConstruct offers is centralized project management. Imagine being able to access all your project updates, from schedules to budgets, in one place. You won't have to flip between emails, spreadsheets, or other tools. Everything is at your fingertips in real time, which is crucial for staying on top of every task. This not only saves you time, but it helps keep the entire team aligned and informed without the headache of constant back-and-forth communication. Next thing is real-time communication. CoConstruct allows you to instantly communicate with your team, clients, and subcontractors. No more waiting for email responses or getting buried in endless threads. With CoConstruct's real-time updates, everyone can collaborate instantly, meaning fewer delays and mistakes. This is a huge advantage when you're trying to stay on schedule, especially with tight deadlines. The third thing is the ability to track every detail of your project's progress. From daily logs to change orders and selections, CoConstruct gives you a complete picture of where your project stands at any given moment. This visibility allows you to make informed decisions quickly, ensuring you can address any potential issues before they become major roadblocks. Now, one of the most overlooked yet powerful features of CoConstruct is the integration with financial tracking. Keeping your project on budget is one of the hardest parts of construction management. But with CoConstruct's real-time cost tracking, you can monitor your project expenses, adjust estimates, and manage your budget with ease. It helps you stay ahead of unexpected costs and ensures you stay within your financial targets. And don't forget about CoConstruct's mobile app. Whether you're on-site or on the go, you can access project updates right from your phone. This means you'll never miss a crucial detail, no matter where you are. The mobile app puts everything in your pocket, so you can keep up with your team, your clients, and your project's needs, no matter where you are. Finally, CoConstruct offers customizable reporting. With real-time updates, you can generate reports that suit your specific needs, whether it's financial reports, progress tracking, or client updates. You can tailor these reports to make sure you're presenting the right information at the right time. As I mentioned earlier, you can use CoConstruct completely free through the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll be up and running in no time. If you're ready to experience how CoConstruct can streamline your construction projects and keep you on track with real-time updates, don't forget to check out the link for your extended free trial.